Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today I am going to be taking you guys along with me to Burlington. This is a little bit different from the other videos. I always take you guys along with me to Marshalls and to TJ Maxx, and this Burlington is located in Elizabeth, New Jersey. It is located in the Mills at the Jersey Gardens. There's a Burlington, there's a Coho's, there's Forever 21. The stores are bigger. There's also a Lowe's theaters here. I have been to the mall here before, but I never ever thought to wonder that there was actually a Burlington here. Hopefully we get lucky enough to find the Tarte Cosmetics here. So anyways, if you guys love these type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button down below, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos like this. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that way I know that you guys are loving my channel. And I'll see you guys in a little bit, and let's just go on to the video. You guys, we are here at Burlington. Let's see what we can find. Okay, we are here at the makeup section in Burlington. Let's see if we can find anything that we haven't seen before. So it looks like they have this Pure Quick Pro Portable highlighter and contour palette. This is what everything comes with. The highlights says Slaycation, Goddess, and High Five. So pretty. Burlington has the chocolate chip Too Faced palette. Oh my god, I can't believe I found this at Burlington. This is awesome, you guys. How much is this? This is $19.99. Wow, I'm definitely taking this. So I asked one of the associates to open it for me, and look, you guys, this is what I found inside. Good thing I didn't buy it. It's shattered. Not good. But look at the colors. Just wanted to show you really quickly. They're really, really pretty. So if you ever find it at Burlington, definitely buy it. This is a really, really pretty colors. Let me show you an up close. So nice. This is the balm for $5.99 called Foxy Pout. I have also Mia More, just like a reddish tone, reddish pink tone. And they have a whole bunch back there. Here, I don't see any Tarte. Let's see. This one's a Physicians Formula. It looks like they have this NYX In Your Element palette for $14.99. And these are the eyeshadows. Really, really pretty. And this one is In Your Element Air. I think it's the same price for $14.99. Oh, look at those colors. So pretty. This one is the Laura Geller Get Ready and Glow palette for the eyes, face, and cheeks. This one's pretty cool. $14.99 compared to $32. They have some elf here. Some elf brushes. This one, what's the price for this? For $19.99. Comes with 9-piece ultimate brush kit. A whole bunch here. We have a glue gun. Guys, this mask is really, really good. I have it at home and I use it once a week. It's $19.99 here, and it just helps condition your hair for dry, damaged hair as well. I mean, it's not a miracle cream, but it does wonders for your hair. Guys, let me show you the jewelry here at Burlington. It's so pretty. Look at these. Oh my god, it's so nice. Look at this earring, it's so pretty. Jeez. These are not expensive at all. I think they're like $5.99. And I'll show you guys here some other jewelry from Signature New York City, and these are some bangles. We have even like this one. This one's like gorgeous. Look at this. Look at all of these. These are so nice. This would be perfect for prom. Look at this one. Oh my god. I love this one. Look at this one. $9.99. Look at this pearl one. Wow. This looks so expensive, but it's only $9.99, you guys. It even comes with this set of earrings. last time I seen Guess jewelry. I love Guess jewelry. So if you're like looking for any Guess that's out of style, like they have here, look at this one. That's really, really nice. They even have these, which is a necklace. These are so pretty. And they're very inexpensive. I think some of them are like $7.99 compared to $30. Really, really pretty. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys the jewelry here, because sometimes I get my jewelry here at Burlington. Look at all this. Oh my god, I've never seen so many products. They even have this Laura Geller and Shadow Quad. So how much is this for? $24.99, $42 value. It's pretty cool. I have a couple of these back there, and then I have this pure 4-piece glow on the go collection: mascara, primer, moisturizer, and bronzer for $28. And now it's $10.99. This reminds me of a eyeshadow palette that I have. I think it's from Urban Decay. Pretty close and similar to it. It's $5.99. They have a whole bunch up here. Let's see, another Laura Geller Eyes, Face, and Cheeks palette for $14.99. Look, I even found this Laura Geller 6-piece color collection for $12.99. This is on clearance. The $59 value. Looks like it comes with a blush, a lippy, mascara, and a primer. That's nice. So this is this Laura Geller Summer Goddess 4-piece collection. This one is $10.99. It's on clearance. It looks like I didn't find anything. So you guys, look at these shoes from Steve Madden. Look at these, they're so cute. These are $19.99. I think these are originally, it doesn't say the original price, but these are so cute. I found this like cute little rug. This is another rug here. It's really nice. How much is this? $19.99. This is so cute. Definitely put this in like your beauty room. It would look so nice. Just very fancy and luxurious looking. Like they have this one. Oh my god, you guys, this material feels so good. This one is $14.99. Wow, these is really inexpensive, and the material feels like so good. I'm impressed with Burlington. The prices are legit really good. Burlington is definitely a place to shop if you're trying to decorate your place. They even have like accent tables, chairs. They have really cute stuff here. They even have like these, look at these pillows, they're so cute. They have a purple one. These are like really nice cute accent pillows for your couch or even for your bedroom. And these are $10.99. These are really cute. They have a pink one, a purple one, and a blue one. Really love these. Okay guys, so we didn't find anything here at this Burlington. Definitely gonna come back here another time, maybe tomorrow or another week, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Here we are at Burlington. This one is in Jersey Gardens, also in Elizabeth. Hopefully we find the Tarte Cosmetics line. I'm super excited because it's my first time coming here, so I'll see you guys inside. So we are in the makeup aisle here at Burlington, and you see it's like so empty right now. And I'm about to pick up this mascara, and then I noticed that there's a Tarte here. And this one is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. Let's check out inside how it looks like. And look at these colors. These are so pretty, you guys. I love these colors. These are neutral colors, and it is $12.99 on clearance here at Burlington. And I wanted to show you this Dream Big eyeshadow palette from Tarte as well, but I noticed that the palette was shattered. contour palette, Contour by the Body Shop for $9.99. And then they also have this Gigi Hadid by Maybelline. This one's actually for $4.99 compared to $16. There's this Laura Geller All Over Glow 2-piece kit. This one is for $16.99. I think this is like a body glow. So what it says back here. Yeah, it's an all over body glow. And they have this Burberry perfume for $39.99. They have a couple Laura Geller for $14.99. I think this is like a highlight and cheek trio. $29.99, and then this one is a bronze and bright for $14.99 from Laura Geller. So this one is a foundation, and the other one is a highlight. That's pretty cool. I also have this balm powder foundation. This is for $7.99. So I'm gonna be taking this one. This one's $29.99. It's the Skin Twinkle Lightning Palette for $29.99. I'm gonna show you guys in the car how it looks like. And then this Gigi Hadid by Maybelline. I'm so happy that I found some Tarte Cosmetics here. It's pretty awesome that this Burlington has it. And you can see that there's like nothing left here. The guy, that associate that works here, told me that they actually restock every day, so I don't know how that works. But look at this other one, a Laura Geller Island Escape palette. I think that is for $24.99 here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We found stuff, you guys. On our last stop, we found the Tarte Cosmetics. I'm gonna show you guys inside how it looks like, and I'll see you guys in a little. Let me just tell you guys one thing. When I went to this Burlington, I really wasn't sure whether I was gonna find the Tarte Cosmetics, because you guys seen in the video that I went through other Burlingtons and I didn't find anything, and I was kind of like having my hopes down that I'm not gonna find it. And then when I hit up this Burlington, I went to the shelves, and as soon as I looked at the shelves, they were empty. And then when I looked down, there was actually Tarte Cosmetics there. You guys can't believe how excited I am. This is how I get when it's makeup. I love finding makeup for you guys. I love just finding great deals. It's just such a great feeling when you find something that you're looking for and you achieve it and you hold it in your hand and it's like right there. It's the best feeling ever. So let me just stop rambling and let me show you guys what I found at Burlington. So the first thing that I found at Burlington was this Gigi Hadid East Coast Glam Lip Kit. This was originally $16, but it was going for $4.99 here at Burlington. And it comes with a lip liner and also a lipstick. You guys can see the lipstick. It's like a nudie type of pink. It's really pretty. I'm definitely gonna get a good use out of this because I definitely like nude lipsticks. And it even comes with a lip liner. I'll show you guys. It comes with this lip liner over here, and this one is also the same shade. So the most exciting part about this finding was the Tarte Cosmetics, you guys know. So the next thing that I bought was this Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 Skin Twinkle Lighting Palette from Tarte, and it was $29.99. Originally runs for $42 at Sephora. I think this was a limited edition. I'm not sure, but this is how the palette looks like. It's so pretty. It has like almost like a watercolored effect. Really truck. Sorry, there's like a truck passing by, but it has like a nice watercolor effect going on. It comes with 4 highlighters. These are so pretty. This one's probably my favorite one out of the whole bunch. The next item that I got was the Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette. This was going for $12.99 at Burlington. I don't know what's the original price, but you guys let me know in the comments below what the original price is. But this is the palette. It has a kind of like a scale type of look in the front, and this is the inside. It looks like very gold shimmery eyeshadows. This is like perfect for everyday wear, so you can definitely get a good use out of that. Because I was able to find 2 of the Tarte Rainforest palettes, I decided to buy one for you guys and do a giveaway. So one of you guys is going to win the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. This is a brand new and has not been touched at all. So this giveaway will be through Gleam, and the link will be down below. And for this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel, leave me a whole bunch of comments. I will love to hear from you. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my journey going through a couple of Burlingtons to try to find the Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm super excited that we actually did find it. All the links will be down in the description box. Make sure that you tag me on all your finds that you find at TJ Maxx, Marshall, at Makeup Gems for Less, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah. Hey loves, thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. In the meantime, make sure you watch these videos down below. They're awesome, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah.